Hey, how you doing? We're getting really close to being done with these content pages for the second iteration. So the last content page we have to work on is this Wall of Fame page, and I changed the text down here a little bit because when I talked to Scott, we thought it'd be cool to not only have a picture of this, but to allow the users to come in and bring in their numbers, which they can do now, but what if we put their stories here on the page? So to put their stories on, we're going to, again, make a database interface. And I've already made a database table. And this table has, I'm not sure if we might need some other information here, like maybe the race number or something like that. But we've got these fields in here. So to add these to the Wall of Fame page, the control I'm going to use, and I should use this actually on the training groups one, is the repeater. And the reason I'm using the repeater instead of the data list is the data list actually comes out being formatted as a table, and tables, should be used for tables of data where this is really text. So I might go back up. Actually, I'll probably go back and change that, the running page, to use a repeater instead of the data list. Okay, so anyway, to do this, we go to Design View, just like we've done all of our other database stuff, and we say New Data Source. And hopefully you're used to this by now. And then choose our table. In this case, it's the Wall of Fame table. And just for displaying this, the only thing I want to see in this case is the content. And then we'll just finish this. And then we'll also go back to source code now, and you'll notice that there's nothing here. So with the repeater, we have to build everything ourselves. So the first thing we'll put in here is our item template, just for displaying this. And then what I'm going to do is put a paragraph. I want everything that appears here to be inside a paragraph, all the database entries. And then what I want inside this paragraph is a label control, because that allows me to stick the stuff from the database in something. If I just have the paragraph, I can't really stick the content here. And then I'm going to call it LBL content, and then eval content, and this is again the field from the database I'm trying to match. Anyway, let's save this. I did put one entry in the Wall of Fame, so when we load this now, we can see that here it shows up. So I don't know, maybe we should put a race number field in there as well. I'll go back and modify the database, but that's basically it for this. I probably will put a number in so people can just sort by race number, or maybe also put a race date in there. Now let's just put a number in. We don't want to make it too complicated. That way people can find their number and find their story and show their friends. Okay, so that's it for this one.